Paano mo malalaman kung ang nakatag sa'yo ay may virus? How to keep safe your Facebook account from hackers for this 2022. Yes, tama po ang nabasa niyong title. Nitong mga nakaraang araw, ang daming nakatag sa akin na mga post na mga ganito. Tayo kasi mga Pilipino, pagdating talaga sa kalaswaan, nagigising talaga yung curiosity natin. So, if you're really interested to know on how to keep safe your Facebook account, just keep on watching till the end kasi i-reveal ko mamaya kung ano yung mga dahilan kung bakit ang daming mga na-hack na Facebook account. Alam mo ba na isa rin ako sa mga victim of our own curiosity. Noong July 28, from out of nowhere, naisipan kong magbasa ng mga post sa newsfeed ko at mga notification. Kasi matagal na akong hindi nag-a-update. Nagulat na lang ako at the same time, nag-message sa akin ang friend ko na si Christine from Al-Ain to inform me that somebody using my Facebook account. At may bagong post daw na nakatag sa 100 friends, including her. At nag-comment pa ang hacker, of course, using my name. At understood nila yon na hindi ako dahil never akong nagsasalita ng Arabic at never akong natutong mag-type ng Arabic words. Nung inopen ko yung timeline ko para hanapin yung post at comment, pero hindi ko makita. Nagsimula na akong magpanic nun kasi dumadami yung mga nagtanong kung about saan yung ipinopost ko at in-screenshot pa nila at nakita ko hindi maganda yung post kasi about sa kalaswaan. They kept on asking me if what is all about. I advised them not to open the link. Maybe after 2 minutes, tinake down na ni Facebook ang account ko to retrieve from hacker. May mga steps na ipinagawa sa akin si Facebook para mabawi ko ang account ko. First, sinunod ko ang instruction ni Facebook na pagbibigay ng complete details including new strong password. Pumunta ako sa settings, I changed my email address that only me can see. At naka-turn on na ang 2 verification factor through mobile and email. So whenever someone will try to log in unrecognized device, hindi nila malalagin dahil hahanapan sila ng code. And additional, keeping my Facebook account more secure, I also used Google Authenticator. So, para na talagang naka-vault ang account ko. Highly secured at hindi basta-basta mabubuksan ni numan.
Hindi ba't nabanggit ko kanina yung post na naka-tag sa 100 people, ito ay generated tags na gawa ng hacker. Hindi naman talaga pornography ang laman ng nasa link, kundi isa lang siyang blanco. Dahil alam ni hacker na marami ang maku-curious at makikiusyoso at para i-open natin ang link na yon. Ang hindi natin alam ay ilalagay na pala natin sa panganib ang ating Facebook account. Dahil makukuha na ni hacker ang ating mga details dahil ang inopen pala natin na link ay isa palang software. To protect your Facebook account from hacker, make sure na strong ang password mo at hindi basta-basta mahuhulaan ni numan. It should be a combination of upper and lower case, numbers, and special characters, and at least 8 to 12 combinations, for example. And here's a guide for you on how to secure your account. First, tap this icon on the upper right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Go to Password and Security. This is important for you on how to check your security settings. Tap this. Check your important security settings. For you to be highly secure, these 3 methods must be checked. Password is okay. It means your password is strong. If there's no check, then better for you to change strong password right now. Next, set 2-factor authentication should be on for you to be protected with an extra layer of security. Tap it and tap manage. Turn on 2-factor authentication. Add a backup method. On the authentication app, I highly suggest use a Google Authenticator. I will post the link on the description box below. To keep more secure your account, so whenever there's an unrecognized device logging into your account, Facebook will ask a code generated from Google Authenticator. So as you can see from here, there's an QR code. Scan it using Google Authenticator for you to reveal the given code. Next, through SMS. Set your mobile number and continue. On the login alerts, Facebook will tell you that someone logged into your account from a device or browser that you don't usually use. These 3 methods should be on, so you may receive a notification either through Facebook, Messenger, or email address. For the device and location where you log, you can control it. Just tap See All. If you seen device unknown for you, so you can log it out or you can log out these all sessions. That's all.